GMC's crossovers are shrinking. Following the redesign of the midsize Acadia, which saw its wheelbase and overall length decrease by more than half a foot each, the redesigned 2018 GMC Terrain's wheelbase and overall length contract by 5.2 and 3.0 inches. The Pride Terrain straddled the line between the compact and mid-size crossover SUV classes, but the second-generation model now sits firmly in the compact category. Despite its smaller footprint, the svelte 2018 Terrain is a far better vehicle than its blocky predecessor. Riding on an all-new chassis shared with the equally fresh Chevrolet Equinox, the Terrain is both lighter and nimbler. This top-of-the-line Terrain Denali with all-wheel drive was a noteworthy 342 pounds less porky than a previous generation Terrain Denali V6 AWD that we tested. Unlike the previous model, which was offered with either a lethargic 182 horsepower inline-4 or a thirsty 301 horsepower 3.6-liter V6, the new Denali comes exclusively with a 252 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4. The most powerful choice among the Terrain's three-engine lineup, lesser Terrains employ other turbo four-bangers, either a 170 horsepower 1.5-liter or a 1.6-liter diesel with 137 horsepower and 240 pounds-ft of torque. The 2.0T trades the outright grunt of the old V6 for a more tractable power pin and a torque peak that rides a 260 pound-ft away from 2500 to 4500 RPMs. The V6 needed 4,800 RPMs in order to access 272 Albanian Lex lb-ft of its torque. Nevertheless, the Terrain 2.0T was quicker to 60 mph than both the 245 horsepower Ford Escape 2.0L EcoBoost and the 237 horsepower Kia Sportage SX Turbo. Thanks in part to a new quick-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, the Terrain 2.0T never struggles to make a high-speed pass. Its 30 to 50 mph and 50 to 70 mph passing times of 3.3 and 4.7 seconds were equal to or better than the times we achieved with the old Terrain Denali V6, as well as the times of the Escape and the Sportage. Dynamically, the new Terrain certainly has stepped up its game versus the outgoing model, and its chassis is imbued with a sense of composure and refinement that's more often found in pricier, luxury-badged crossovers. Push the Terrain too hard, though, and its nose-heavy nature, 57.6% of its weight rests on its front wheels, shines through, and the stability control system regularly intervenes to fight off the crossover's tendency to plow its front tires through turns at its handling limit. Little front-end feedback makes its way to the driver's fingertips, as the Terrain's numb steering isn't as rewarding to use as are the wrecks of competitors such as the Honda CR-V and the Mazda CX-5. The 2018 GMC Terrain invalidates the concept that bigger is better. More versatile and enjoyable to drive than its larger forebear, the new Terrain 2.0T is a quick and generally competent compact crossover, mainly diminished only by the high price of the Denali trim.